Potato salads are an Aussie staple. When you're craving a warm potato salad, try this bacon and potato ranch salad using Primo shortcut Rindless bacon, available from Coles supermarket delis. To start, cut potatoes in half and place in a baking dish. Drizzle with oil and season. Then toss to combine. Pop in a 200°C preheated oven for 45 minutes or until potatoes are golden and cooked through. While the potatoes are roasting, boil the eggs by bringing a small saucepan of water to the boil. Reduce the heat to a simmer and gently lower the eggs into the water. Then gently stir with a spoon for 30 seconds. This helps to centre the yolks. Cook the eggs for 6 minutes for soft-boiled or until cooked to your liking. Remove the eggs from the pot with a spoon and place in a bowl of cold water and set aside to cool. Peel the eggs by using a small spoon to help remove the shell from the egg. Then cut the eggs in half. Next, cook the Primo bacon by heating a little oil in a medium frying pan over high heat. Add the Primo bacon and cook, turning until golden brown and crisp. Transfer to a plate and cover with foil to keep warm. To build the salad, combine the roasted potatoes, spring onion, pickled baby cucumbers, tear half the Primo bacon into smaller pieces, and drizzle with ranch dressing. Give the salad a toss to combine. Arrange potato salad in a serving bowl and top with the eggs. Tear the remaining bacon and add to the salad. Finish with a sprinkle of chives and season. Primo shortcut Rindless bacon from Coles supermarket deli makes a delicious addition to this warm potato salad.